Shaping machine. In this video, we will discuss about the introduction to shaping machine and its components. The shaper is a machine having reciprocating cutting tool and the fixed workpiece. The function of shaper is primarily to produce flat surfaces. Parts of shaper. Main parts of the shapers are base, column, table, vise, tool head, ram, cross rail. Base. It is made of cast iron. It supports the whole of the machine and is bolted to the floor with the help of foundation bolts. Now see the 3D animation of column. It is a box type structure and made of cast iron. The inside surface of the column is hollow. Column is mounted on the base. Ram. It is made of cast iron with cross ribs for rigidity. Ram slides over the guideways on the top of the column. It carries the tool head and connected with any one driving mechanism. Table. It is a box type rectangular hollow casting. The table slides along the horizontal guideways of the cross rail. T-slots are provided on the table for clamping the workpieces. Elevating screw is used for moving the table vertically. Cross rail. Now see the 3D animation of the cross rail. The cross rail slides on the guideways provided at the front vertical face of the column. A saddle slides over two guideways provided in the front face of the cross slide. Elevating screw is used for moving the table in vertical direction. Saddle. It is mounted on cross rail. It supports the table, moves across the cross rail left to right. Movement obtained by a cross feed screw. Tool head. It is attached to the front end of ram. Carries clapper box and tool post on it. Can be swiveled at any angle on either side. Clapper box. It is hinged to the tool head. It hoses clapper block. Swings outward in return stroke. Shaper working principle. Work is feed a small distance each time. Feed of work and line of tool motion is in the same plane but perpendicular. The tool head is fitted on the front end of the ram. The workpiece is rigidly held over the table using a vise. The ram reciprocates to make the tool to cut the material in forward stroke. During the return stroke, the tool does not cut any material and it is called as idle stroke. A combination of one cutting stroke and one idle stroke, it is called one pass. Whitworth quick return mechanism of the shaping machine. This mechanism is used to convert the rotary motion to reciprocating motion and provide a quick speed on return stroke. Let us see the main parts of the Whitworth mechanism are workpiece, tool, ram, base, table, ram, pinion, crank pin, crank plate, bull gear, connecting rod, forward stroke, return stroke of ram, sliding block slides on the slot provided on the crank plate. This crank plate is pivoted at the point S eccentrically. The connecting rod connects the crank pin with the ram. When the pinion rotates, bull gear rotates and the sliding block slides over the slot provided on the crank plate. Connecting rod converts the rotary motion of the crank plate to reciprocatory motion of the ram. Since the crank plate is connected eccentrically, the crank plate rotates with respect to the point S.